Plasma technology works for many applications. The concern, though, has always been price and footprint, but not anymore. Here at Langmuir Systems, we set out to change the world with the Apollo fiber laser. The Apollo runs a 1.5 kilowatt fiber laser source from the leader in fiber laser technology, Max Photonics. This is the same source found in machines that can easily cost 10 times the price of Apollo. The cutting head is by RayTools, the standard in industrial fiber laser cutting systems. These aren't your entry-level components rebadged for a lower price point. They're the same industrial-grade hardware at a cost made manageable for your shop. The Apollo can handle up to half-inch mild steel, stainless to 7/32, and aluminum and brass to 3/16. That covers the full range of sheet work many fabrication shops require. With Apollo, the kerf is tight, dross is minimal, and edge quality comes off the machine ready to weld without grinding. The Apollo runs a 3-axis full servo drive system, not stepper motors. The Apollo's positioning accuracy is 2/10,000ths of an inch per 12 inches with a 5/10,000ths of an inch index, with a maximum jog speed of over 1300 IPM. This machine is built to get the job done quicker. Our United States engineered frame is bonded and fastened with a finish machined at the Langmuir facility in Houston, Texas. The total travel is 50 by 98 inches, slightly oversized relative to the 4x8 cutting envelope, which gives you the clearance to run a slightly oversized sheet. With a Z-axis clearance of 2¼ inch, with 4 inches of total travel, you'll never have to worry about not being able to process your sheet material. Additionally, Apollo's built to take up less space in your shop with a footprint of 74 inches wide by 122 inches long. Apollo operates on 2 dedicated 240-volt single-phase circuits, one 25 amp for the laser system, one 20 amp for the water chiller. Another huge benefit to Apollo is that there is no expensive 3-phase requirement, ensuring you can install Apollo in your existing shop. That's a real difference for any small shop or a standalone building. If you have 240-volt single-phase service, you can run the Apollo. Apollo features the next generation of controls with laser control. With robust firmware and integrated height sensing, it's not a generic motion controller running someone's third-party software. The interface is familiar and dependable, just like fire control on any of our Langmuir plasma cutting tables. This feature set is purpose-built for laser cutting, full parameter control, height sensing, and a workflow designed for professional production cutting. Additionally, because fiber lasers are considered a Class 4 laser, the Apollo ships as a fully enclosed upper and lower enclosure, including door interlock switches that prevent the laser from firing with panels removed. Built with a 10-inch fume extraction port, you can better manage the air quality in your shop while maintaining the high cutting demands you require. An optional internal camera add-on gives you a bird's eye view to monitor cuts in progress, all while operating behind the safety of the enclosure. The enclosure isn't just a safety feature, it's what makes the machine viable in a shared workspace. It's time to stop bleeding money through costly rework, labor-intensive post-processing, or outsourcing costs. Fabricators who have been subcontracting these laser cuts, paying per part, waiting on lead times, absorbing the markup, have found a quicker return on investment because of Langmuir Systems' unbeatable prices. The Apollo is proudly engineered and assembled in Texas, supported by Langmuir's in-house technical team and backed by direct online and phone support. That's the total cost of ownership calculation that matters. If your shop is ready to achieve more, improve results, and bring your laser cutting in-house, the Apollo is the machine to do it with.